use magnification to magnify the screen using triple tap screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap visibility enhancement. Scroll down the screen, tap magnification and then tap magnification shortcut. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on and then select triple tap screen. Now you can turn on magnification by tapping the screen 3 times. When magnification is on, you will see a zoom in area where you can use to magnify what's on the screen. To move the zoom in area, drag the move icon at the bottom right corner of the box. To adjust the zoom level, pinch your finger on the zoom in area. To scroll to the zoom in area, swipe with 2 fingers on it. Once done, you can turn off magnification by tapping the screen outside the box 3 times. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.